In this video, I'll show how to use the Visual Thesaurus to make a text with difficult vocabulary easy to understand. Displayed is an excerpt from George Orwell's 1984. I've broken the text into sentences, which may be used with several groups of students, each one taking a sentence and replacing the challenging words in the text with language they find more familiar. In the first sentence we read, "On a cold day in April of 1984, a man named Winston Smith returns to his home, a dilapidated apartment building called Victory Mansions." The first group of students is asked to look up and redefine the word dilapidated. I'll type that into the Visual Thesaurus. For dilapidated, I find the definition in deplorable condition. What you would like the student now to do is use the Visual Thesaurus as a thesaurus by clicking on the definition or the circle that represents the definition. We now find a number of words, some of which are more familiar to the student, that are synonymous with dilapidated. Most will be familiar with broken down. A student could write down broken down as a replacement for dilapidated in the text, or perhaps they could use the Visual Thesaurus's connection with other databases to make sure that that makes sense. I'll right-click on dilapidated, search Google Images, and this is what we find. The sentence says a dilapidated apartment building, and on the first page, that is what we find. A completely broken down or dilapidated apartment building.